Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and I'm going to show you. I've showed this a couple of times, but this is a very good example. Here's the original logo, and then I did it in gray and black. And this is what it came out with. But the reason I'm making the video is because this is gray, so it's going to engrave a little bit less, but not this much difference. So it really makes the logo stand out and kind of look like the color logo. And how I did this is I set my nudge factor on 6 inches, and I've already done a test to make sure my board's right. But then I'm going to take the gray out of the picture, and I'm going to engrave this at like 50 speed and 100 power to get it really deep. Then I'm going to take this and move it out of the way. And because I'm using the nudge factor, I can nudge it right back. Whoop. Now, I did take the wood out of the laser, and I sanded the entire surface, so I would not sand the light engraving off. So I took all the burn residue off, the whole thing. And then I ran this at 100 speed, 100 power, at 400 dots per inch. So it just barely touched the surface and made the wood a little bit darker. And then that way you don't have to sand it, because it's so light of sand or so light of engraving, it does not leave any burn residue because it's just lightly going over it. I think it adds a lot of bling. It takes a little bit more time, and I'm sure you could do that. Well, I know you could do this with color mapping, but this way I can take it out of the laser and sand all the burn residue off and do it this way. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.